y'all. I'm back at Okahili. It's like a review slash update. I know y'all hear it like sound different. Y'all hear, I don't know if you hear that, but she sound different. Well, I like the dirt on my tires that we just came from the dirt patch. But that's her. That's the finish right there. See that? Cool. I know this camera picks up a lot, so I gotta like be careful. But like y'all see that? You can see the spring up in there. You can see the uni filter. I know we don't got much sun, but that's kind of what I wanted. You know, that's the style I was going for. This is how I got my plate on here with some stilts. Looking clean. I got like 2-3 compliments already. And then that's just the whole bike, you know what I'm saying? Like, did some upgrades. Basically changed out the intake. You can see it probably up in, let me cut it so you can see it up in there. You see the uni filter? Beautiful. I'm gonna have to contrast that. You're basically gonna get the upgrade video, you know, like once I drop it on a tube. But I did a video on what I did and what, you know, pieces of things I gathered, you know, put together to make it how it is. I'm gonna do an end video so you hear the burp, you know, you hear that uni filter. I just like the way it sounds. I like that burr, you know, I like you can hear it sucking in air. I don't know, you know, just like on the like, I don't know if you play Need for Speed and you get that whoosh, you know, whoosh, like, you know, like that's the type of, it ain't no ch, but you get that, you get that, you hear that sucking. So, that's like my little review and upgrade on it. Can't get to see it right now, but, yo, we're like 1,000 miles strong. It's been running good, no problems. Radiator still works. Like I said, that video coming soon, so y'all can basically see how I got to remove the airbox and how I kept the battery harness on, and you'll see all that, cause the airbox is also connected to the airbox, and the battery harness was combined, so I had to cut it with a multi-tool. You'll see the video. It's a long video, so it took me a while to like get space to edit it for you guys. This one gonna be a short video, so that's why I'm just dropping it. But y'all gonna hear the burp once I'm leaving. I do like a 360 video, well, a 180, because I had the other cap on. But you know, that mode give me better editing tools as far as giving you angles and stuff like that. But this is a good bike, you know what I'm saying? Like, when they talk about beginner bike, I know I had the KP Mini and I did reviews on if it's a good beginner bike and stuff like that, but this right here, it's a good beginner bike. Get you up to like 75 miles an hour. You know what I'm saying? You're not bobbling around in the wind. The bike has weight. It's way heavy. I think it's at least 100 pounds more than the KP Mini. And just overall, it handles well. Man, I'll be swinging on these corners, these tight little corners you see here. I'm swinging. You don't really get to see the video of me coming in because I thought I had the cap off. But that's a story for another day. You know, I got excited once I hit the park. Sun's going down, so gotta go on a few. Basically, man, I just wanted to give y'all the review. 1,000 miles in. When I ride. So I done dropped like at least 800 on this baby already. Wasn't brand new, you know, used bike. So like I said, man, for the most part, it was kind of like fairly new, and it runs. You know what I'm saying? So, buddy gave me a deal on the price and all that. So, basically, that's the mode, guys. Good beginner bike. Check it out. X Gators. If you're ever in Pompano, Florida. That's where I picked up this bad boy. You can get them online, the Fawn website and stuff like that. This is not like, you know, I don't work for the Fawn or Lifin, but it's just, hey, that's where you go to get them. I support bike lovers and people that ride bikes. So that's just my little, you know, 5-6 minute video on this bike, like real review, me talking, me actually giving my opinion. Throttle is good. After I did the upgrade, I'm basically hitting my top speeds faster. That's really about it. I'm gonna eventually do the exhaust. You see the back tail light is already done. I might take these front out, you know what I'm saying, and put something else. I might. It's a huge might. It doesn't look bad with it on, and like I said, it helps with visibility. Somebody trying to see you from the other side of the road. Man, people still coming to the park, and the sun's going down. I don't even know what's going on out here. They just when I see stuff that's not normal, that shit kind of freak me out. But yeah, man, we here back at Okahili. Hey, shout out to bro that, you know, noticed where I did my video at. You know, hopefully you see this one, man. We gonna link up soon. Shout out to all the subscribers, everybody support the video, man. Y'all huge on this on platform, you know. I really appreciate the support. It's just, like I said, more video content coming soon, man. It's just for the bike lovers and people that like bikes. It ain't no stunting, or, you know, I don't know how to stunt. I don't, you know, I'm not really show off person. It's just, I like the bike. I see people post contents, tons of contents about what they do and, you know, what they like to do. So I'm just posting what I like to do. I like to ride bikes. I like to be out in the free and the open and just have fun, man. Especially on two wheels. So, you know, hey, shout out to anybody that's mess with the two wheels, and, you know, see y'all soon, man. Y'all see me on the road, hit me with a toot 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 toot. You know what I'm saying? Because that's like the, you know, the bike lingo, like when you really mess with somebody, you see them on the road, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to y'all, and catch y'all out there. I know y'all hear that. I know y'all hear that groovy beats right there. We got filter back here, working. And we got filter over here, working. You can hear it. Alright, y'all. What's going on now? So yo, we're gonna head to the store like we said. You feel me? Just listen to like the before and after of how it sounds. Y'all listen. I think it's a good